I thought it would be overflowing, but it's not. It looks, it's not from the overflow pipe. It simply looks as if the expansion tank is having released the expansion tank and got to look underneath. You can see that this joint here has gone, so I'm guessing that's where the leak was coming from. It doesn't look as if it's coming from there. It's losing water from there, from the expansion tank. The overflow tank is made of brass, so I should be able to solder that. It goes down here to the front here, along the front of the radiator, enters the radiator at the top there. It's a rubber water pipe that goes to the overflow tank. Looks to be 6mm. Total length is just a fraction over 50 inches. However, when I came to fit the 6mm, 1/4 inch pipe to the outlet from the radiator, the size was different, and I couldn't get that 6mm pipe on without affecting the structure of the rubber pipe. In the end, I bought some 8mm pipe, and that I was able to get onto the end of the outlet from the radiator. It does fit on the expansion tank, but it's not as snug as the 6mm. But with the Jubilee clip and the fact that it's only 15 pounds pressure before the top blows, that's not going to be a problem, I don't think. Would have been just in 2 pieces put together, with a flange that came out on this one, just a flange on this top one, and this one would have had a lip that they then bent over and crimped and then soldered from the top all the way around. I think what I might try and do is make another little lip that just slots over both of these pieces. A new one. Cut this back down to here and then solder both sides here and here. Probably not the neatest bit of soldering, but it works. I took a piece of 8mm microball, and then with the cutting disc on a Dremel, sliced down the microball of the right length, or over the split. The split I think goes from somewhere like about here to here somewhere. Bent the microball, cleaned it all up, opened the microball up, put it over the split, crimped it all together, spent some time cleaning all the joints with the Dremel, and then fluxed it and soldered it. It took 2 or 3 attempts. I'm lucky enough to have a dive cylinder, And so I connected the dive cylinder up with that manual squirt. At that point there, held it, applied pressure. A couple of times there were some little air leaks here. Ground them all down again, the dodgy bits, resoldered, then eventually filled it with water, applied 15 pounds of pressure until the cap popped. No leaks. So now I get to paint it satin black, I think everybody talks about. Maybe you could apply that 15 pounds of pressure using a bicycle pump.